guys, today I'm gonna do a unboxing video. Today I'm gonna box a 36-pack of Fidget toys. I'm so excited. So this is what the box looks like. Okay, let's open it. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. First we have some marble and mash. We got yellow, blue, green, and red. I really like marble and mash. They are super fun. Okay, now on top of the box, we have some puzzles. And they're like keychains, so you can put them on your backpack or your purse, which is really cool. And make a really interesting sound. Oh, we have similar things. They are also keychains. I believe these are called puzzle balls also. They're really tiny. Like, that's a ball compared to my hand. It's really small. I got a wacky track / snap and click. You can do all types of stuff with this. Oh, that's so cool. Now, let's see. We've got 2 stress balls. I kind of want to open them, so let's open them. I believe there's another wacky track somewhere, but I don't see that yet. Okay, so we got an orange one. And now let's open the blue one. The plastic is really loud. The blue one's so pretty. I love these. Next, I see the other Rocky track. This one is blue and green. The other one's orange and blue. I see lots more, but I'm most excited about these. We got some bike chains. Most of the stuff I'm gonna open last. Then we got some mochis, which we did a large unboxing of in the last a few videos ago. Got a penguin, another tiger. I believe this is a seal. And the cat. Super cute. Okay, I see lots more. I see a mini snake fidget. It's kind of hard to do. And we have another one. A red one. Oh my god. I feel like it's gonna snap. Okay. Ooh, okay, so we have a few more things. These are interesting. I think there's another one. Oh, there's 2 more. Okay, so these are called spiky balls, I believe. They're textured balls. They feel so good. And they're kind of fancy. You could also use like as a sensory toy. I really like them. So, okay. I already have one of these, but this one is so easy to squish out. It's called a pea popper. It's kind of oily, but that's okay. We have these really soft foam stress balls. Oh my god, I thought these were gonna be like more hard, but they are really soft. They're like squishies. Now missing some really thin monkey noodles. These are like really thin. Like compared to like a normal monkey noodle, these are really thin. Let me get one. So this is the real monkey noodle. These are thin ones. Look at that comparison. Like, those are really, really thin. Okay, so let's unbox everything now. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the bike chains because one comes in my favorite colors, which is yellow. I don't know how I'm supposed to look at this. Okay. I do have another bike chain. Oh, okay. This one is more big, but I really like it. Now let me unbox the pinkish reddish type of color. It's kind of salmon. Now that I look at it, it looks pretty red. But in the light, it looks pink. I'm confused about this color. Oh, don't let that. Okay, there. Okay, so now let's unbox the marble mesh and the puzzles. First, I'm gonna do the marble mesh. This is the one that's in my favorite color. Marble and mesh are pretty much the same thing. They just come in different shapes and, well, not shapes, in different colors and patterns. Yeah. So now, let's unbox the puzzles. Yeah. If you need a distraction, this is pretty good. Now we just have two heart ones right here. I'm gonna save those for later, because they're basically the same thing. Okay, so let's unbox the emojis and let's see if they're squishy. I already have this one, but it's in blue, so now I have a pink one. Now let's get out the mochi. The tiger one, which I already can tell it's really cute. It's so cute though. Some sort of paint came off, but that's okay. Okay, here is the seal emoji. They're so cute. Wait, I believe there was a cat one. Here it is. So I already have a bunch of cats, but this one is different. The ears and the little nose are pink. So I got 4 mochis, 5 stress balls, 5 spiky balls, and 2 snakes, which I really like them. And 2 Milwaukee tracks or snapping kits. Let me see if I can click them together. I don't know if I can. Oh! One of my stress balls fell down. Oh my god, I have lots of things. My favorite ones are probably the stress balls and the wacky tracks. My least favorites are probably the puzzles and the spiky balls. I don't know why. They are not the most appealing to me. Especially the puzzle thing. I can't seem to figure it out, like, ever. And I can't even see the marble. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's pretty stressful. So yeah. This was a 36 pack, and like, I have seen these really thin monkey rolls before, but they are like extremely thin. I wasn't expecting them to be this thin. Okay, let's unlock the heart one now. Let's see if they're best for last. I don't think they will, but and what flying still up? Oh, these are better than the square one. It's more easy to work with. Oh my goodness. These are keychains, so you can like hang them on your bag, like a little fidget to go. I'm obsessed with this stress ball. So cool. Like, in such pretty colors. Yeah. I also have an orange one, which is a little bit more squishy. I have 3 basketballs, which are more nice than I thought. And spiky balls aren't the best, but still, they're spiky balls. They're good. I like the texture on them. And here we have packets. I love the sound. They're supposed to do that, by the way, but I was just like, I'm not expecting that. There. Ta-da. I can snap and click these two. That's why they're called snap and clicks. I have one giant whack track. Wow. This is a really long one, but let me separate them. Okay. I love all of them. I'm super excited to use these more. Well, 36 more added to the collection. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel down here. And turn on that little bell by clicking it to get notifications when I post a new video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah.